Oh yeah, show me where the fridge is.
Okay, down there.
Yep. Door, there's the bathroom. And where is it in here, babe? This is the other part of the library. And the refrigerator.
Well, not really. It's
Their office. But it all connects. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna turn off the light and go through the other way. I'm coming. Check this out. It all connects. Pretty cool. Look at these cactuses. Oh yeah. Pencil sharpener. You guys remember those? Creaky floors.
Hey there.
Hey.
Bathroom's right here, second floor.
Yep.
If you need it.
Yeah, we're just
Okay.
taking a video.
Feel free to look around and do shit. Okay?
Thanks.
Doors are locked. Have a good night. Oh, let me show you the, need anything? Blankets. Okay?
Cool.
Okay, great.
This is
Thank
Buddy
you.
Mark. We went him today.
What?
Oh,
We're on the YouTube now. That's right. I'm your buddy, and you did meet me today.
Yeah.
That's right. Hello.
He's really kind letting us stay in the library tonight.
That's a practice we like to ubiquitously give to folks who come to the Mason Museum, who are decent and good people, and obviously you two are. So good luck to you both, and thank you for making me, a little bit of a mini YouTube star.
and
Thanks.
Actually, we'll share more of the outreach program and stuff.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, Mark.
That's what it's about. Good night.
Night.